Okay, 5-1, day 2. We're going to talk about the vertex form of a quadratic function and how we can write the function knowing what transformations we want to have. So again, a parabola opens up or opens down. If it opens up, it has a low point. Okay, so if it opens upward, it has its lowest point. If it opens downward, it has a highest point, and those highest and lowest points are called the vertex. The vertex form we can write as such. A times the quantity x minus h, quantity squared, plus k, where A indicates if there's a reflection, okay, or if it's negative or positive. If it's a number, then it will tell us if it's a vertical stretch or a compression. The H is that horizontal translation, remember right or left, and the K indicates our up and down. So that means in this form, HK is our vertex. Okay, so we're going to use a description of transformation and write the transform function. So again, parent function is f of x equals x squared. Reflected across the x-axis, reflection turns my A negative. A vertical stretch also gives A a value, and it says it's factor of 6. And translated 3 units left, gives me an H of negative 3. So we write the transformed function. So we know that it's A x minus h quantity squared plus k. So my A is negative 6. H is negative 3, and there is no k. So this is just negative 6 x plus 3 quantity squared. Okay. One more of the check it outs, and then you do the other one. So first off, vertically compressed is my A. Translated to the right is your H. And 4 units down is your K. So again, standard vertex form. So G of x would equal 1/3 x minus 2 quantity squared minus 4. You try the next one. Okay, so hopefully you were able to follow that. Reflected means A goes negative, left, -5, and up, +1. Okay, we have an application. Braking distance is approximated by this function. If the vehicle's tires are in poor condition, the braking distance function goes to the next one there. So there's the first one. And there's the second one. So what kind of transformation describes this change? So first off, look at what's happening. You're taking a point 0.045 is going to 0.068. So this is A is increasing. So by how much? We would just divide them. And so it is a vertical stretch by a factor 1.5. What does that mean? It just means it takes 1.5 times more distance for the tires to stop from the brakes. So let's look at the next one. Closing lesson. Identify how each of the following transformations affects the values of A, H, and K in the function. Okay, so 3 units left. When we go left, that's our H. So H would equal -3. If we're going up, then that's K. Would be a +3. A vertical stretch is A. And a reflection is also A, turns it negative. So our transformed function would be g of x equals -3 x minus -3 squared plus 3, or rewriting and that ends 5-1.